recording.
Try a little bit.
She like, Mama, what is that?
Come on, eat it. Eat it.
You need a napkin. It's in her nose.
She eating it a little bit. She like it. She just wants a spoon. She wants the spoon. Here. Here. Come on. Come on, Mama. Mmm. Mmm. Come on, Mama. Mmm. Mmm. She like, Mommy, give me the spoon. Now she biting the spoon. Aw, man, she didn't spit it out. Maybe if I give her the spoon, she'll... She going crazy. Did she spit it out again? Yeah. You want to try it?